Hey you guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken quesadillas. This is delicious Mexican comfort food. This recipe combines cooked chicken, cheese with seasoning and veggies, and the perfect way to use the boneless chicken cubes. So don't skip this video, keep watching till it ends. This recipe is 30 minutes quick dinner. This dish is quite special to me and I absolutely love it. And it's so simple to make it. So let's get started. Starting with a hot pan, adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Now adding 2 tablespoons of grated garlic in it. Stir in olive oil for at least 30 seconds. And to this I'm adding chicken boneless cubes. You can also use this leftover grilled chicken or tandoori chicken, shred it nicely and use it. It's your wish. Now I'm frying this well till it changes the color. These are loaded with gooey melted cheese and mayonnaise. You can also make this with paratha. Let's take a peek inside. I'm adding half a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now give a good mix. And now I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt in it. Fry this well for at least 1 minute. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons freshly chopped parsley. You can also use freshly chopped coriander leaves. Fry this well for at least 5 to 7 minutes till chicken becomes tender. After 7 minutes, I am adding 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour. Mix everything well. So try this at home and let me know how it comes for you. Share your pictures with me on my Insta page shimis.kitchen right below there. Now let's take a peek inside. And to this I am adding half a cup finely chopped onion, mix well. Once they have slightly softened, and now I am adding 1/4 cup of chopped red bell peppers, 1/4 cup of yellow bell pepper, and 1/4 cup capsicum. Give everything a very good mix. Cook this capsicum until it softens. Adjust salt as per your taste. And now I am going to close the lid and cook an additional 5 minutes. You can see now the chicken is completely cooked, isn't it? So now I'm going to switch off the flame. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. Give everything a very good mix. Now close the lid and keep aside. Now wipe skillet with paper towel and brush it with melted butter. And now I am placing the tortilla on it. Sprinkle grated cheese. I am using cheddar cheese. Spread it evenly. And now I am placing 2 to 3 tablespoons chicken stuffing. Again sprinkle some more grated cheese on it. Now gently fold the tortilla. Apply some melted butter on it. Now slow cook for at least 2 minutes till it becomes golden brown. Then carefully turn to opposite side and continue cook until golden brown at the bottom. Don't forget to apply butter on the top of the tortilla and cook in a slow flame with closed lid. Repeat the process with remaining tortillas, cheese and the filling. Cut each quesadillas into 2 to 3 wedges. Serve warm with desired topping. So this is how we make perfect chicken quesadilla. I do hope you're gonna try it and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll see you again very soon with another new recipe. Till then, take care and have a nice day.